I'd rather get a pick and taste of juice.
No. Alright, put it back. Hey, look, wait! This is hot sauce that my grandmother made this morning.
That's the hot sauce. Why would y'all eat that?
Yeah, you see? It's hot sauce. She made it and put it in there.
Alright, that's even worse. It's the peppers in my backyard.
Oh.
Go ahead. Go.
Anyway,
Burn up all your belly. I'm going to shit out from my belly.
shut up. We're going to eat it. We're going to drink some ketchup, alright?
Alright.
Alright, let's go have it open already. So we could just...
Stop wasting time.
Oh, go. Alright. Cheers. Click it. Ting, ting. Alright, move back so you can see. Ready? Set, go.
Retards.
No, that tastes good.
It tastes good?